Introduction. In JavaScript, strings and numbers are commonly used and manipulated data types. Converting a string to a number is required in many scenarios to perform mathematical operations. Various ways available in JavaScript to perform string-to-number conversion. Methods for converting string to number. ParseInt function parses a string and returns an integer. ParseFloat function converts a string into a floating point number. Num function is versatile and can return either an integer or a floating point number. Unary++ is the fastest and shortest method for conversion. Common errors and tips to avoid them. Not a number is a special value returned when trying to convert a non-numeric string into a number. To avoid NaN errors, ensure the string contains only numeric values before conversion. Validate input before conversion. Use isNaN function to check if the conversion resulted in NaN. Leading and trailing spaces in string are allowed but ignored during conversion. Conclusion: string-to-number conversion is a common task in JavaScript. Understanding different conversion methods can help avoid errors and save time. Always validate input and use appropriate method for conversion: parseInt, parsefloat, number, or Unary+.